Hello, Fleur Allen here from Ask Fleur. My business, you can find me at askfleur.com. All my business success coaching services I can provide online. And welcome to this session. We're up to step 7 of my 10 steps to double your revenue. I call this resource Next Level Success, and this stuff works. So check out this playlist that will live on a YouTube, or you've either found it on YouTube or you've found it because you've downloaded my workbook from my website. So if you don't have the workbook, go to my website, askfleur.com. You spell Fleur, F-L-E-U-R. Grab the workbook, either print it or have it on a device so you can make notes. And we're up to step 7. So I have an overview video that walks through all 10 steps, and so you can see how it all builds up. But these are individual videos with a bit more detail to assist and support you to take action. So develop conversion documents. What I mean by that is a meaningful document, often in a proposal or a letter, depending on your business and what service you're wanting to promote to your premium clients. It can also be a follow-up document, actually. So you can have a meeting and then you put the proposal at the end of the meeting, ask what the next steps would like to be, invite them to receive the document, and it runs through what you've basically gone through, what your services are in the meeting. And the idea is for them to go from all these questions, and the document overcomes all the objections they may have to prevent them from working with you. And then that's a successful process and they come on board as a new premium client. Congratulations. So that's the objective. And it can be a conversion. It can also be a conversion event, in that it can be an event, as in a physical event. It can be a webinar. It can be a workshop, but it follows up and confirms whatever the next step is. For example, in my business, I run a group coaching level workshop, and then I invite the people that are single ticket holders as a once-off to come on board as a year-long client. And they obviously get a better price, but they also reap the benefits of monthly events, because then it becomes an accountability structure. That is an example of, I send them the information and with the aim to convert them to going from a single ticket buyer to an annual subscriber, if you like. Another example is if someone's considering my one-to-one services, I will send the summary and give an overarching document detailing what we go through. And essentially what we go through is this 10 steps. You can get through it in 3 months, but it was working pretty intensely, but often it can take up to a year to get through these steps. It really depends on the business owner, the type of business, and what we're needing to work through along the way as part of the journey. So it's entirely up to the business owner how quickly we work through these steps. And sometimes we'll get through these steps and have a great impact, and then maybe go round again and to develop a new journey, an improved client journey for their premium clients. So let me just share the document, which is so conversion documents to move your clients from either thinking about working with you to being a client, or else working at one level with you and uplifting them to another level. So I'm just scanning. This really works for your high value, your premium clients. So for my business, that would be my one-to-one clients. In my business, my one-to-one clients receive everything. So if you work with me one-to-one, then you receive group coaching, the online courses, and anything, the templates and resources that I produce. The critical part about developing a conversion document, whether it be a proposal, a letter, or an email template, The critical element is to include a clear action step you would like the next client to take. So the next step on the action step for you for this step, you need to write down what it is you solve. If I use my business as an example, I work with clients one-to-one that are wanting to double their. I increase revenue by working with me. Client benefit is they reap the benefits of an increased revenue. Often that's diverted to bringing in a second in charge or someone to replace elements of their responsibilities in the business. It needs to include client testimonials as social proof of what you do is true, and a clear next action step. For example, for this video series, what I'd really love for clients to do is to work through this themselves, and if they really want to leverage off this even more, is to sign up for my online course, which, because it's an online course, it's at a really super reasonable price, is my Fast Track Success Challenge. And if you get through this, then I offer a nice juicy little discount because I want to work with someone who's gone through all these steps. So that is a really clear next action step. Once people have gone through my free offering, this 10 steps, is I condense the top principles, the top 5 principles, into a 5-day self-paced online course that you can work through these, and I give you a meditation and things like that along the way. And other people have done the course beforehand, so you can see their comments and participate. For an online course, it becomes a little bit more interactive. So that's what developed conversion documents are. So a red hot tip is to have a follow-up process, and to have successful conversions and a higher conversion rate than, say, a 5 to 10% conversion rate. If you want to get up to the 50% plus, up to 80%, 90% conversion, you must have a follow-up process. That is essential, and often with a phone call. I know, shock horror, so many people don't want to pick up the phone, but that follow-up process, especially if you have at least one step with a follow-up phone call, you will smash out your conversion rates and success. So I work with my clients. I'll just switch so you can see my work clients to develop a bespoke document or process that is relevant for their business and their clients and their premium client offering. So I walk alongside clients, so I give them a template and then they tweak it with their language and their specialty. So it's a great partnership to work. I love working with clients at this one-to-one level, particularly on this. This is what I love to do, and this is also works really well as a fundraising consultant to generate increased revenue for not-for-profits and charities, but it also works just as well in businesses to increase revenue as well. So that's step 7. We're almost there, so keep going. I'm thrilled you're here. So take action, write down what your conversion document may be. Let me just look at what I've got you to do, is to look at the problem you solve, how it benefits the clients, use client testimonials as social proof to prove you live up to what you claim, and then give them a very clear next action step. That is the gold. So remember that. Write it down, and I'll see you at step 8.